In this video, we're going to show the job functionality of the Dusk IOP app. Start by entering your PIN. From this screen, a sync is automatically performed to pull down any new information and send back any locally stored information. Once that's completed, tap the Jobs tile. In here is a list of available jobs to complete. In the top left is a filter, which contains a number of items that allow you to further refine the work that is available for you. You can search by date, you can search by job stages, you can search by priority, and even by client. Consolidated Materials provides the opportunity to pull down all the materials that are required for the work over that duration. This ensures that you have all available materials when going to site. This screen here has a list of tiles. The top bold number and letters, the job reference number. These can be set in the back end by your dispatch team. The date, the time, the job type, which is related to the form that's in the back end, the job status, in this case dispatched, the client location or the location of where the work is to be performed. It could be a store or an asset, the client name, and the contact details. And on the right hand side is the priority. We'll click one of the jobs to start. The map in the background shows the pin of where this job is to be performed. Pressing directions provides turn-by-turn navigation to that location. Details provides more information further to what was on the tile previously. Manage allows notes to be added to the job, which can be referenced by other people. Flags, such as follow-up items. The ability to duplicate the job, just in case it's a secondary one that's needed. And also the ability to log time. History shows all the information for that location, so that could be for the client, it could be for the asset, it could be for the store. To access that, tap the small eye icon on the right hand side. In here is the previous information that was captured and by whom. If photos were taken, they can be tapped to view. In this case, we'll have a look at this one, which is a phone charger. From this screen, press the Details tile. The first thing we need to do is update the stage. This confirms we're either acknowledging or rejecting the job. We then press Start Job. In here is a standard form that's just been designed on the back end. Any of your forms can be displayed here as part of the job. There's the ability to choose photos or add photos by pressing the camera icon or the select a photo. Multiples can be added with the plus button as well. A further form can be attached if needed from your templates in the Forms and Templates tile. Once you're finished with this, press Submit. The job's now successfully been submitted. The other opportunity in here is to press Create Job. This allows in-field creation of work for approval. By going through here, you're able to create work for yourself, but it must be approved on the back office first. There's a whole variety of different fields that go through, but the logic is exactly the same as on the back. Once that's completed, the job sits as the status waiting for approval until the back office have completed it and approved it. Once all work has been completed, you're able to go to View Pending Logs or Submit Daily Log. We'll start with View Pending Logs. In here we have a log that was pending from the 3rd of June. We can see in here that there was a small amount of work completed, 47 seconds. By tapping where it says Activities on the 3rd of June 2021, it shows the work that was completed. Once we're happy, we can press Save and confirm completion. We can then go back in here and submit our daily log. So this is the work that was actually completed today on the 7th. So again, we're able to have a quick look in here. We can see there's 2 jobs that have been completed. You'll notice in here the total time is 36 seconds and 32 seconds. This is the time it took to complete the work, but the daily log itself was 50 minutes. as the first job was completed about 49 minutes ago. If you've got any receipts to add, they can be either selected or a photo taken, and any expense items can be added in here as well. This is permission based on the back end. Once you're happy with it, we press save. And that's how you use the job functionality of the Dusk IOP app.